Hello, everyone. So this coming week, we have conferences, and I just wanted to show you how to sign up for those conferences, how to pick a time slot. There are many different time slots available, I think 84 in total. I purposefully created many different slots that would be available for you to make an appointment to meet with me via Zoom. We'll use the same Zoom link as we use for advice hours. So I will also provide that before the conferences start, though. Okay, so anyway, I just wanted to show you how to do this. So you're going to go ahead and click on View Course Calendar. And then click on Find Appointment. And then, yes, it's going to be for this class, our Group A sections here. You're going to click on Submit. And then there's just a list of the available time slots, the appointments available. So many of them are at night because that's after my office hours from 6 to 8 normally on Thursdays, and it's usually by that time my kids are in bed, so I'm able to meet with you for conferences during those times. And then there's also, though, if you prefer morning, there's also the sort of 10 a.m. Time slots on the weekends, Fridays and Saturdays, and then I also have conferences late at night on Sunday. Okay, so I try to offer as many different times as possible so that we can meet to talk about your papers. When you come to these conferences, you should come with questions. Okay, so specific things that you want me to look at in your paper. Okay, questions about maybe thesis statement or topic sentences or transitions, things like that. Okay. Don't necessarily have time to read the entire paper in a 10-minute time span. So I want to have clear, focused things that you want me to look at so that we can take a look at those things and I can give you feedback and critique on them. Okay, but hopefully this is helpful. And don't forget to sign up for the conferences before next week begins. So you have from now until basically Sunday before midnight to sign up for these conferences. So please do that as soon as you can, okay? All right, well, I look forward to seeing all of you in conferences. Some of you I haven't met yet via Zoom, so I'm excited for that. And I'm excited to see your papers. All right, have a great day.